Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What's up? What's up? Welcome to a cleaning episode of my life. I need to clean my room and I needed music. Oh, my legs. My legs are in pain. I need to wash my shoes. That's why my shoes are going to stay here. Oh, anyway, I went out yesterday. And also, it is so hot in this country. Unbelievably humid and disgusting and annoying. But anyway, enough about me complaining. I'm probably going to complain quite a lot due to the fact that my legs are, let's pop that up there. Oh, I'm going to sweat so much during this clean. Anyway, I hope you guys have had a good weekend, because it's time to get back to that Monday life. I also got a LED light, which I'm pretty excited for, because it's going to make, well, not the room much better. The room's going to be much better indeed, because it's going to be light. I'm actually going to start with some water. Water is essential. Water is essential, guys. If you don't have water, then what are you doing with yourselves? I guess I was thirsty. Fill it and then just leave it. Anyway. Landala, some London, some London, some Londony, some London, some Londony. All of these in the basket, as they have been worn this last week. I have so much laundry to do, actually. Should probably start with that, but I won't, because I'm a G, and G's do what they want in life. Anyway, some nuggets, some bugs, some mints. Probably put the mints here, and then we can put the pouches right here at the bottom. Confectionery area. Whew! I don't have tights out. Oh, I didn't wear this shirt, so I can shirt. I don't have tights out. I have what's it called? Tracksuit bottoms out. I should probably just put them back. Malume yebo. Siyavuma. Oh, I'm perspiring and I've just started sweeping. It's so late for me. I'm going to be dripping sweat by the time I finish this. It's actually late for me. Anyway, start there. Bring that rubbish to there. Dust the mat. Dust the mat. Oh, so much. And heat. So much. Anyway, there's so much dust accumulated in this place. Oh, it's so hot, dude. What the hell? Oh. Anyway, we've got to carry on, guys. I'm hoping this is like a half an hour jobby. Quick in and out job, and we can move on. Whoa, I nearly brought the house down. Guys, there's so much dust already. So much dirt here. Alright, that was step 1. Step 2 is move the sofas. Meister. So this song's called Jägermeister, first of all. Jeez, sorry, I apologize. This is called Jägermeister, but it is also... Oh, the artists are called Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata! It's incredible, I love that. Much rubbish. That's just from this room. Anyway, what's next? We're gonna go back up here. Pumba. Hey. Oh, I'll actually come back for that one. I need to go and do... Oh, lovely. Lovely. Should put this CD away. Probably something down there for now. V is for victory. That's what V stands for.